Good morning, students. Today we will learn how can we create a Gmail account from our mobile phones. Students, nowadays email account is very necessary for each and every task. It is also required when we are registering ourselves in Google Classroom. So let's quickly learn how can we create a Gmail account. Now, students, I am using Google Chrome browser here because I hope each and every mobile phone have this browser. So this is a very basic browser, and each and everyone, I hope each and everyone having this browser. So in a Google Chrome, at the search feed, you can just write create Gmail account. So after that, the first link that you see, it is a ad. So here it is also written ad ad. It is representing it is a ad. So we can skip it. Now this is our link. Create a Gmail account. Gmail help. Google support. Check the URL as well, https support.google.com. You have to click here. Okay, so you can click here. After click, this interface will come, and in that interface you will click on create an account, which is written on red text box. Okay, so click here. After clicking here, it will ask for your details. So I am filling my detail here. Okay, now username. Students, it is a tricky thing to enter username because in a word there are millions of username already exist, and each and every username is unique. So you have to create some unique username which is not exist. So what I am doing, you can try it also. I am using my surname first, then my first name, then I am writing my complete date of birth. You can use anything else also. Okay, so and after that, password. uh, Students, you have to, you will make a strong password. Like it should, what do you mean by strong password? A password which have a minimum 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, number and symbols, which is also written on the instruction. So we will create a minimum 8 letter password, which is a combination of letters, numbers and symbol. So here I am creating Ramesh at the rate 123. This is a combination of all three. Ramesh is a characters, at the rate is a symbol, and 123 is a number. You can use anything else also according to your convenience. Okay, I'm confirming a password here. So after that I will click on next. Now after next, it will ask for your mobile number. So I am just writing my mobile number. Okay, it is also asking the recovery address, but it is optional, so you can skip it also. It is not necessary to write any email address here, but if you have, you can write also. If you have your parents email address, your elder brother or sister email address, you can write here also. Here you will write your date of birth. Like I am writing a date of birth here. Okay, now gender I am selecting, then I will click on next. Okay, now it will send a verify phone number. If you want to verify, you can directly click on send option also. But if let us suppose you are not having a phone number right now, so you can select not now also. I am selecting not now also. Okay, so this is the term and condition for Google for creating a Gmail account. If you want to read, you can read it also. Right now I am just clicking on I agree button. Click on I agree button and wait for a while. Now this is a Gmail account, and this is Google account is telling us ki we are providing you that much services. You can use our these services also. Okay, so I am just skipping. So now my account is created. Now if I want to, okay, if I want to check my go to my Gmail ID, so I can go on new tab and I will write Gmail. Okay, it is already existing here. So this is my account that I will create it. You can use it anywhere also. Okay, now I am opening the Gmail, and use there are two options: open in Gmail app and use the web version. I am using the web version. So this is our email, and this is the first mail I am getting. So students, one thing I want to tell you, whenever you are sending your email ID to the teachers, and in that Gmail ID, student teacher will send you a link as well. Okay, and on that link you have to click, and after that you can join. Okay, so like this, one mail will come in your in your inbox, and you have to open that mail, and here you will find that kind of link. Here it is written get Google Go, but on your message it will return join class, and when if you click on join class, you will immediately join that class. Okay, so that's it for today, students, and in our next session we will learn how can we send a email, and how can we attach attachment and multiple things related to the Gmail account. Okay, so this is for it for today, but I have one question for you. I hope each and everyone are using our browser, and in our Google Chrome there are three dots on your top right corner. Whenever I click on that, you will find two options: new tab and new incognito tab. Okay, new tab would be like that, and new incognito tab will be like that. Now you have to tell me what is the difference between new tab and new incognito tab. Okay, I will see you tomorrow in the next session. On that we will learn how can we email anyone and how can we attach a file on that email. Okay, thank you, and keep revising.